My dear parents, please spend the next 5 to 7 minutes. Set aside all your time and please go through this video. You're all aware that I have started a new series of episodes called The Making of the Genius, and I have started a YouTube channel only for this. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Why should you do this? In this specific series, I'm going to give you very clear, scientifically proved, research-based action plan to make your children global. Whatever talent they have, they may be sports students. Some of your children could be good writers. Some of them could be good singers, instrument players. Each one of them have to be developed. I will help you to identify very clear strategy so that your children will become global. You may ask me, why should I become global? The world has infinite opportunity and our students have infinite potential. So we have to match the talent our children have, the passion our children have with the opportunity that is available in the world. Point number 2, there is no other alternative except to become global. Today, the whole world is a village today. Because of liberalization, privatization, globalization, children have to showcase their talents at a global level, not at a school level or a district level or a state or national level. And so they have to face global competition. Today, you take, for example, hospitals, you take it, or colleges, universities. Earlier, about 30-40 years ago, a hospital will face a competition from hospitals in the same state or district or nation.
கற்கவா கணினியின் வழியே அறிவின் மொழியே நுட்பமாய் கற்கவா
இசை நடனம் தற்காப்பு கலைகள் யோகாவும் நாம் கற்கலாம் வாழ்வில் முன்னேறும் நெறிகள் யாவுமே பயிலலாம்
ஆற்றல் அது கொண்டு ஏற்றம் பல கண்டு கனவை நிறைவாக்கி ஜெயித்திடவா திரும்பும் திசை எங்கும் திறமையது மின்னும் வித்தை பழகிட வழியுண்டு வா ABS இது அறிவின் உலகம் ABS இது வெற்றியை எழுதும் ABS இது பல்கலை தோட்டம் ABS உன்னை பாரினில் உயர்த்தும்
CBSE பாடத்திட்டத்தில் சேர்ந்து பயில ABS வித்யா மந்திர் திருவள்ளூர்.
ABS வித்யா மந்திர்.
But today, hospitals are facing international competition. Universities are going to come to India, foreign universities are going to come to India. So our Indian universities have to compete with the foreign universities. So there is a need. So in this series of episodes, I am discussing what is called deliberate practice. It is not just ordinary practice, deliberate practice, which means serious practice focused on improvement. Please make a note of it. Serious practice focused on improvement from the present standard to a different standard. And I want to make one more thing very clear. It is not that this will be useful to participate in sports, in music, in fine arts only. No. In order to crack the NEET exam, in order to crack the CLAT exam or JEE or chartered accountancy entrance, IAS, in order to crack the GMAT, GRE, all of them are international standards. Even for those students, it will be very, very useful. So please see this episode once again from the beginning. I have started a WhatsApp group. If you want to join this WhatsApp group, please send a mail to this mail address, which is scrolling underneath, vanamaili@gmail.com. Please download my app, NCS Ignite. We will try to meet at least once in 15 days, if not once in a week. Please join this. I have already uploaded 7 episodes in our YouTube channel. Please see them one after the other. In my Zoom meeting, I will discuss with you each episode and give you explanation. That is the purpose of this small little recording. All the best. Wishing you advanced Happy New Year. Let us hope 2021 will be much better year. All the best. Thank you very much. Sri Guru Bhyo Namaha.
ABS Vidya Mandir, Tiruvallur.